How to transfer money from Paysafe to PayPal. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, you need to head over to your PayPal application or in a browser search for paypal.com. So the first thing that you have to rest assured is that Paysafecard Mastercard is not available in every region. So be sure that it is available in your region. Once you have made sure of it, in your PayPal you will see the option of transfer money. Tap on transfer money. Then in here you will see the option of money in. As we want to add money or transfer from our Paysafe to PayPal, tap on add money to your balance. After which, to add money from your bank, you will have to enter or link a card and select on Paysafecard Mastercard. Enter the amount and tap on add. Review all of the details regarding it. In order to link your card, it will require your Mastercard 16-digit code and also expiration date and the CVV. Once it is all reviewed, you'll be able to transfer money without a hassle. And that is how you transfer the money from Paysafe to PayPal. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.